Hi, I'm Devin Kimura with Artbeads.com, and I am very happy to have with us here Jeff Elvin, the owner of Dakota Stones. We have introduced to our line these wonderful donut pendants. They're fantastic pieces, great for wire wrapping, simply using a piece of leather or hand-dyed silk to just make a simple piece. They're fantastic. And so can you tell me about these? I see we've got some matte, we've got some shiny, we've got a bunch of different stone types. Please.
We do, yeah. We just the 40 millimeter donut has been something that's been around the gemstone jewelry industry for a number of years. We decided to introduce this again with Artbeads this year. It has been very well received. We rolled them out in Tucson this year, and it is surprising. I think it's something that people use as a regular staple in their designs. I think it's just something that it's a nice pendant. It's a versatile design that, as you said, it can be simple or it can move into a more complex design. But they are all 40 millimeters in size with a 8 millimeter hole in the middle. No additional holes, but it is about a 4 to 5 millimeter thickness on all of these, and we are rolling them out, I believe, in how many different stone types we have? We have a couple matte, so it's going to be around
nine right here.
9 right here, and so I think it might be just a little bit more than that in the line. So
they're fantastic. So tell me about, I always kind of zoom in on these very colorful pieces here, and we offer these in other beads and pendants. This is a impression jasper.
This is a crazy lace agate that's been dyed.
Completely wrong.
Yep.
Sorry.
So you can see the pattern. It's a stone out of Mexico that has this banding and different patterns. Normally, it's much more of it's a tan-ish, lightish cream stone, and so it takes and holds color really well. And so we've been consistently selling it in the fuchsia or pink, the purple, and then the blue down here. But you can just see that it picks up tones of the colors so well and deepens them, and so that's why it's just one of those stone types that does take an enhancement really well.
Yeah, it's amazing the different patterns that you see, and of course when you buy these, every single one is going to be different in its own way, but every one I've seen has been fantastic, beautiful. Can you tell me about the other ones? I'm going to try to name them off here.
Go for it.
Rose quartz.
You're on it. Good.
Tiger eye.
Correct.
Green.
Aventurine.
Aventurine. So it rhymes with green. What is this one? You're going to have to help me out on the others.
Red tiger eye.
Okay.
White howlite.
Howlite, of course. Yeah.
And then this is a picture jasper, so you can see because of the the landscape pictures that form in it.
Yep. And picture jasper, I've got to say, is one of my favorite stones. It is really cool. I mean, they call it picture jasper because if you look at a slab, I mean, you can almost see, like you said, a landscape and trees and things. It's just the way that the patterns form is miraculous.
And it's one of our favorite patterns, and keep in mind that you guys do have this all available in stone strands as well, so they complement each other in different of our 8-inch line that you guys carry in all of these stone types. But as we design and build things, it's easy to have something in a 40 millimeter size translate the pattern. But that's why I like picture jasper as well, because all the way down into an 8 millimeter bead, you can see pattern. You're not going to see a big landscape on it, but they do translate down into small beads as well as 40 millimeter sizes.
All right. Well, cool. All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us, Jeff. It's been really, really cool to get a little bit of an introduction or a reintroduction to some of these donut pendants. I think you're going to all find them really fantastic. Get them into your hands because you really can't appreciate them as much as you can when looking at the images on the website. So please visit artbeads.com. Check them out. It's been a pleasure. Thanks, Jeff.
Thanks.